From this presentation, we will start a new chapter, and the chapter is Sinusoidal Steady State Analysis, and we will begin with the historical background. Up until the late 1800s, direct current sources were the main means of providing the electrical power, but by the end of the century, the battle of DC versus AC started, and the DC side was led by Thomas Edison and the AC side was advocated by George Westinghouse along with Nikola Tesla. And if you want to know more about this DC versus AC battle in an entertaining way, then you may watch the movie The Current War starring Benedict Cumberbatch. And this battle was over when the induction motor and polyphase generation and distribution was introduced, which proved that AC is way better as compared to DC. And today we widely use AC generation and transmission because it is efficient and economical. And if you remember, till now our discussion was mainly on DC, and now we will shift our focus on AC as well. So now we will start our analysis of circuits in which the source voltage or current is time varying. And in this chapter we are mainly interested in sinusoidally time varying excitation. So we will focus on the excitation which is time varying, and also it is sinusoidal. So what do we mean by a sinusoid? A sinusoid is a signal that has the form of sine or cosine functions. And I will explain more about the sinusoid in the coming lectures. The circuits driven by the sinusoidal current or the sinusoidal voltage sources are called AC circuits. And the sinusoidal function produces both the transient response and the steady state response. The transient response dies out after some time, and when the transient response is negligibly small as compared to the steady state response, we say that the circuit is operating in sinusoidal steady state. And this is the main concern in this chapter. So this is all for the introduction, and in the coming lectures we will have detailed discussion on sinusoids and phasors.